Hello class, I'm teacher Daniel, and today we will discuss the multiplication of integers algebraically. First, let's recall the parts of multiplication sentence. For instance, we have 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 is called the multiplicand. 2 is called the multiplier, and 10 is called the product. 5 and 2 are called factors. We can also write it as the following. They are all multiplication. So now, let's proceed to the rules in multiplying integers. We have two rules in multiplying integers. First, when we are multiplying two integers with the same sign. So, the product of two integers with the same signs is always positive. For instance, we have positive 4 times positive 3. As you can see, the integers are both positive. So the answer is positive 12. Next, we have negative 7 times negative 2. As you can see, the integers are both negatives. So they have the same signs. So the answer is positive 14. So always remember, the product of two integers with the same sign is always positive. The second rule is the product of two integers with different signs is always negative. Letter A, negative 4 times positive 3. As you can see, the first factor is negative, while the second factor is positive. So the answer is negative 12. Next, letter B, positive 7 times negative 2. As you can see, the first factor is positive, while the second factor is negative. So the answer is negative 14. Always remember, the product of two integers with different signs is always negative. Let's have learning task number 1. Find the product of the following integers. Number 1, negative 5 times negative 3. Very good. The answer is positive 15. Next, number 2, 10 times 5. Correct. The answer is positive 50. Number 3, negative 9 times positive 2. Correct. The answer is negative 18. Number 4, positive 6 times negative 4. Correct. The answer is negative 24. And last, negative 10 times negative 10. Very good. The answer is positive 100. So, don't forget the rules in multiplying integers. Number 1, the product of two integers with the same signs is always positive. And the product of two integers with different signs is always negative. So for your learning task, find the product of the following integers. So you will answer this on a sheet of paper. That's all for today, class. Thank you. Have a great day. Our next lesson is division of integers.